What's up, everybody? If you're watching this video, then you already read the title. Let's go get this charger. Hopefully you guys had a great weekend, man. So I've been looking for a SuperCharger, a Jackson Racing SuperCharger for the longest. So I've been seeing a bunch on OfferUp. Some have been deals, and then other deals have been straight caca. So I've been seeing a bunch of them on OfferUp, Marketplace. Marketplace really has some good combos, man. Marketplace over OfferUp. But I've been in talks with a couple guys, but you know, the deals just kept falling through, so nothing happened. But one of my boys, his homie has a super clean SuperCharger, man, like super clean. It's, bro, you guys, I haven't even seen it in person myself, so I'm about to go see it right now. So I'm willing to pay top tier dollar for a good one, you know. So like I said, I've seen some going on for like minimum like 2,000, as expensive as 5 bands, like a whole rebuild, the whole injectors, the whole shebang. I'm fine just buying the actual SuperCharger. I don't mind if it's a complete kit. You know, I obviously want the brackets, the pulleys, belts would be cool, but you know, I'm not gonna not buy one because it doesn't have the belts. I mean, I can buy all the other miscellaneous stuff like injectors and all that stuff. That's fine. The sole thing that I want is, you know, the SuperCharger. That's what I'm looking for, a clean one. It has to be for a B16. I'm not trying to get one for a GSR and a B20, non-VTEC. Even the D series I've been seeing some. Even for an H series I've seen some already. Oh, and you guys are gonna love what he drives. All right, homie, so I pulled up. So the homie Elvis right here. What's up, guys? Come on, man.
What's up,
my
man?
boy?
Right,
what's up, my boy?
This is the guy to follow.
Yeah, bro.
This is the guy who helped me rebuild this thing from scratch. She was scratch, but he helped me order everything that I needed to get replaced.
Oh my gosh, that's what I was telling the people right now. I'm like, yes, bro, you guys are gonna love this fool's car, bro.
Never,
you want to tell him?
Owner, 88,000 miles. Never modified, never painted. All OEM. And
this is a true time capsule right here.
She just sits around too much. That's my problem now. Original, a little dirty, but
you don't see this, bro.
Yeah, I know.
This is rare, bro.
I barely see her, man. So I'm glad you came to make me take her out. But I got something better.
Oh,
come here. Let me show you what.
Let's see.
So I'll give a quick backstory.
Yes,
in the year 2000, I had one of these. My buddy had one. It got stolen. So I bought this during COVID. My man Josh here helped me out with everything. So my buddy, who had his as well, he had a SuperCharger at the time. He sold his car. He barely used his SuperCharger. He had it sitting in his garage all these years. It's been sitting here for like 20 years. He's like, do you want it? I was like, I'll take it. I'm not going to put it on my car because mine's OEM, but here she is.
We're going to have the hallelujah bells and all the angels.
Jackson SuperCharger. All original, barely used. I would say probably has less than 500 miles on it.
Less than 500?
Yes. If that, honestly.
This, bro, this right here is a gem.
Official installation guide.
I've never seen one, bro.
Look how clean it is. Exactly. Bro. The parts like the headers, all this other stuff, the cams, they might be like, they might have been used a little bit more, but the SuperCharger is brand new. You also have all the parts in here.
Oh, the belts, the brackets.
I have brakes. There's a new clutch in there. So. Bro, everything you need.
What the hell? This is an S200, bro. Bro, we're on S300 V3 or V4 S200. This has to be before 2005.
Yeah, this is old. I'm telling you, man. This was like back. This is when I was 18. This thing was like, at the time, this thing was like $3,000, brand new back then. 3,600, which was a lot of money in the 2000s, like early 2000s.
And you're 18.
For like 18 years old, right? So none of us could afford this. My buddy could. So he got it and he barely used it. I mean, that's right. Look at this thing. Look how clean this is. Look at this. I'm telling you, it's in mint condition. Spin it up. It just probably needs a little oil. Yeah, it's in mint condition. Bro. Man, I'm telling you. Man.
My boy, what?
The gauges, the belts, everything you need here.
Yeah. Damn, my boy.
Exactly.
Oh,
everything, all OEM.
This thing's about to sing, bro, right now in the Em1, bro.
Hey, for you, man, you got it, bro. Look at this.
Well, boy.
Whole kit.
Thank you, bro.
Pull this stuff out too.
Yeah.
It's brand new brakes.
The rotors, drilled and slotted.
Yep, everything.
Damn, bro.
It's ready to take your car to 320 horsepower. Everything you install will be ready. So
I mean, literally everything, bro. Homie wasn't lying when he said everything.
I told you, man. It's a full kit.
This is wild, brother. Even the accessory belt.
I debated, like, making my car a project.
Mm-hmm.
And, putting all this stuff on my car.
Yeah.
But then I said,
nah.
I can't modify it.
Yeah.
I'm keeping it all OEM. So.
Bro, the people gotta see.
But it would be fun.
No, yeah. The people gotta see the cluster. And this is the thing. Right now, I'm just trying to settle that ref.
Yeah.
Once I settle the ref, oh, it's a game after that, bro. It's a game after that. It's gonna be, you know,
I can't wait,
you know. This right here, guys, the optional rear lip. What do you guys know about that? Come on, man. Yeah. I mean, this thing, the patina on this car, bro, is admirable.
The front shot is the best. Like,
you know, I got you, bro. I got you.
That's
even the OEM shift knob, no one has that no more.
OEM,
no one has that anymore.
Look at that. There she is. That's a shot right there, man.
This is the shot right here, bro. 90s Hondas. You know what's funny right here?
Yeah.
It's like, you really don't see how low a car is.
Yeah.
Until you're like,
until
you put it, until you see it over.
And
like,
look, this is what when women get Botox, this is what Botox is needed for a car. You see this? This is what happens when you 20 years of 25 years.
Hold on. Look at that side. Look at that side. Look at that side.
See?
That side.
Botox? No Botox.
Have you seen the McLifter kit?
No, not yet.
Okay, so I'm gonna get it, and it's exactly for that problem, for the bumper sag.
Got it.
Rear and front bumpers.
Got it.
So, it's not the OEM fix,
sure,
because obviously the brackets and the bumpers and all the, dips and everything, but it looks good.
That's why, and like I told you, the reason, like, if it's not OEM, I try not to add it to this car.
Of course.
So, and that's my rule for it.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
Everything on this car is stock. There are no aftermarket parts. If they're all OEM. Like, just changing like these rubber seals.
Yeah.
I know it's like, it was a big deal to make sure they're OEM.
Yeah.
The rims.
I remember you bought a fresh set
from Japan.
From Japan. I remember.
Directly.
Yeah, I remember.
So that's why. And the ones that came on were really good, but I wanted it to be as like.
These are fresh, bro. These are
new. Exactly. And the car has some bumps and bruises. She's not perfect, but again, I don't want to paint her because she's never been painted.
Yeah.
She's never been modified.
Yeah.
But she has some scratches.
And even your boy did the little, like, the paint meter, right?
Test,
I remember.
Yeah,
I remember.
Paint test, so it's all original.
I remember.
But that's why, like, I would love to fix it and like do all these things to it, but there are no more OEMs.
There aren't. It's
like almost my duty to make sure that some that don't get changed.
You're probably one of the few on the West Coast. Hell,
maybe,
even California, you know? You're my twin, bro. You're my twin. We're the same.
Find this. Hold on. Find it. I don't drive this car. The registration. This is how much I don't drive it. Look at that. The sticker's still on it. It's 23. I never put the 24 on. I haven't even put the 25 on. I don't like. I need to drive the car. I know.
You're funny.
For everyone out there who's watching, I know they're like, I would drive this car every day.
Yeah. No.
I know. If I could, I would, but I also can't because I
exactly.
get paranoid.
Oh yeah.
Once you've gotten it stolen, stripped apart, you don't let it leave your sight. No. So if I do take it out, she's always
in your watch. Not even in your peripheral. She gotta be like
I gotta be
direct sight.
I gotta sprint 50 yards. That's max I can go without like losing breath. That's all I'm doing, bro. But yeah, that's why that's why I don't really like.
No, yeah.
Doesn't see much sun.
Oh yeah, bro.
Today's like the day.
You want to tell people how that trauma happened back in the day?
So I used to work at TJ Maxx back in the day, and I come out one day and my car's gone, and I thought it was a prank. 3 days later, they found it in like another city, stripped apart. The only thing that was left in the car, and for some reason I don't know why they left this. The car was stripped. Everything was gone. This was the only thing they left.
Oh,
I had Type R.
Sick ass perro
from back in the day.
Yeah.
And this was the only thing. I don't know why they left this centerpiece of it, and that's all that was left. They took the fucking power windows. Power windows. They took everything. The car was just
a shell,
and they found 3 of them next to each other. So this was at the time when like
they were going after them.
Yeah. I mean, and that's why now I'm so paranoid with this that like I'm scared someone's gonna hit it. I'm scared someone's gonna drive it.
No.
Steal it. Especially that's why, because I like to keep it OEM for that reason. So, And every time, I'm like, someone's like, you should sell it. I think about selling it.
And right now that I made the homie take it out, he fell in love again.
As soon as I take the top off, I'm like, fuck, look at this color, man. So, you Honda guys out there, some of us are trying to keep it OG. And, keep that history alive. So.
Of course. Nah,
might
bro.
see it out there
Well, thank you for sharing, bro.
course,
I mean,
man.
this is a time capsule, bro. I'm telling you, like I was telling him, it's been like we kind of 2-3 years since I last saw it.
No, 4 years, man.
4 years, bro, since I last saw it. 4 years. That is crazy. So, yeah, man. Hopefully, you guys appreciate this as much as the homie Elvis does, and as much as I do. And then mine's over here dirty. Haven't even freaking cleaned it. It rained and crap, but oh man, so gorgeous, so gorgeous. All the packages are secure. The homie's gonna take his out for a spin right now. I got everything in here. That's right, my boy.
Yes, sir.
All right, my
I'll
boy.
see you later,
Hell
man.
Yeah, bro. Thank you, bro.
Can't wait to see that thing on there.
Hell yeah. All right, boys. Let's go to Ape. That's a fresh one. That's a check valve we were missing.
Yeah, this is full.
We're good now.
We'll put this in, we'll change the hose, and that'll be taken care of.
Yep. Okay, so I called hotexhaust.com about the muffler. I told him, man, I'm looking for a cat with 2 provisions.
Yeah.
The guy's like, let me check the database. Full searched it for like 10 minutes. He's like, boss, I don't have one. And I'm like, then why is the ref telling me that I need to have a cat that has 2 provisions? Because he told me that exactly how the cat was, how Gary did it, it worked. It passed emissions, bro. But it can be modified, you know? So the guy was like, well, those cocksuckers, he was like pissed off. He's like, those cocksuckers don't know what they're doing. And I was like, the whole state doesn't know what they're doing, bro. So he told me, he's like, the only one that I have is one with 1 provision. So then that's when I called you and I was like, hey, bro, what if I go to another guy? But the problem is I still need to get it clear. You get me? We need your input on what happened on Friday with me and the ref.
My input?
Yeah.
I think it's ridiculous, to be honest with you. As far as the cat's concerned, I mean, I understand the check valve hose is kind of petty, but yeah, I think the cat was ridiculous.
The whole clown show?
Yeah.
Is it time to move out of California?
I think it is.
Take our guns and our cars, move the hell out of here, bro.
Mm-hmm.
But we're gonna get it done. We're gonna get it done.
Yeah.
And what with that cat, we're just gonna go try with another shop and see if they let us slide. Well, I need to go get that pre-test done first.
Yeah, go get your pre-test done and then
We'll see what's the deal with the cat.
yeah.
Yeah, part of it is in the trunk. So he gave me more than just a supercharger for $25. Oh, it's not even in here. Bro, look. Is this an S200?
Looks like it.
Ancient relic.
This actually, it's an OBD2 slash OBD1 ECU. So
No
it has,
way.
Yeah, it has OBD2 header right here. If you notice.
Oh, yeah. So you threw in those cams.
What are these?
And GSRs? Or V16?
Good. Also good GSRs.
Test pipe? Yeah, fool gave me almost everything. Wait,
All this is.
it's part of the whole thing.
Correct.
Yeah. So look, we gotta take it inside though. For good light. Oh.
Looks clean, bro.
First impressions?
It's pretty clean.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Believable for less than 500 miles?
Yeah, there's no scoring on the rotors or anything.
Damn. Ain't no way I came up on this, bro.
Looks good, man.
Let me show you the manifold. You're gonna give me a heart attack, Gary. We'll take it inside. Let's go. Let's take it inside. Yeah, fool, literally, I think one of these boxes, I'll come.
Just gave you everything, man.
He just gave me everything, bro. He just gave me everything. Oh. He just said, take it, bro. Take it, I don't want it. So what's up with this little valve right here?
It's your bypass valve. Bring the valve to the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
How does this look? So clean, bro.
itself.
It has some oil residue on the inside.
That's fine.
Normal. And if we gotta throw some more oil on this thing?
I mean, it's self-contained, so I mean, unless it leaked out.
Oh, okay.
We can always check the level, though.
Yeah.
Plug.
Yeah. I'm just so stoked, bro.
Looks good, man.
Yeah, bro. Gary approved?
Yes, sir.
Shh, come on.
Magnuson.
Yeah, that's what I saw. But, I mean, if it has less than 500 miles, then no need for a rebuild.
No, this thing don't need a rebuild. Looks good.
It's fresh. I can't wait. The rotors are clean, bro?
They're very clean.
No scoring, zero scoring.
No scoring on them at all.
Bagel come up.
100%.
So we're gonna throw E.
E85 injectors, the fuel pump. We'll obviously do the head gaskets. At that point, we'll send the head out.
Head package.
Do a head package to it. Nothing too crazy on the camshafts
Mm-hmm.
as far as all of us concerned because of the supercharger.
Yeah.
And that's it.
So the high comp pistons, we don't necessarily have to run high boost, but if we run high boost and the high comp pistons,
Make more power.
oh, it'll be a fun setup.
So yeah, it's definitely gonna be a fun setup.
Yeah, bro. Damn, I've been dreaming about this. My patience paid off.
Definitely. No, this is definitely a setup worth getting. Granted, you do have everything for it, right?
Yeah. I mean, with 4 boxes of
Parts.
parts, I should have everything.
It's this thing's been sitting for a minute. You can tell it was barely used.
Yeah. So if Elvis said that it had less than 500 miles, it's almost believable.
It's believable,
Yeah. Damn, bro. Every time I would find a listing on a marketplace on OfferUp, Gary would tell me, wait. He's like, bro, does it have everything? He always told me that.
It's always missing stuff.
Does it have everything? And now that I went to Elvis to go get this right now, I was just laughing in my head. I was like, if Gary asks right now, I'm about to FaceTime him. I'm like, Gary, is this enough, Gary? Is this enough? 4 boxes or like 3 boxes of things. These fools blocked me in. I think one of the neighbors locked it. Well, this is the gate that I wish was open. Yep, both of them are locked. I bet. I'm gonna pull up to this one right here, bro. Screw this gate.